National Weather Service has issued severe The National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Kerr County, Blanco County, Gillespie County, Southeastern Llano County, Northern Kendall County, Southwestern Burnett County, until 4:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:04 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Highland Haven to near Bankersmith, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Kerrville, Fredericksburg, Marble Falls, Comfort, Blanco, Round Mountain, Granite Shoals, Horseshoe Bay, Johnson City, Meadow Lakes, Ingram, Hunt, Stonewall, Spicewood, Blowout, Tivadale, Kerrville Shriner Park, Rocky Hill, Waltonia, and Rocky Creek. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging winds, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.